DBM came up with a circular. Alam, ang sinasabi nila, ang pwedeng i-obligate dito sa reenacted disbursement na ito is only 25% of the 2018 budget. Sinisafety niya na hindi pwedeng galawin yung parang hindi reenacted yung the entire budget. Nilagyan niya na lang leeway na 3 months, pero totoo niyan, 25% 3 months, pero totoo niyan, alam niya na 25 January, hindi na pwede. Okay. Now, excluded sa instructions niya, yung appropriations for the creation of new positions, the fourth tranche of the salary standardization law, mid-year and year-end bonuses and tax tips, loading in uniform allowances and productivity enhancement incentives. Ngayon, but they will still release the budget level funding for retirement and life insurance premiums, pension and gratuity funds, special purpose funds, budgetary to support enrollment corporations, miscellaneous personal benefits funds, contingent funds, and internal revenue funds for local government units. They are automatically appropriated every year anyway. Now, 1 month lang naman yung daily, because we are assuring them that as far as the Senate is concerned, hopefully by this week or by the next week, when we resume, we will be able to pass it on that. The PICAM, siguro naman makikita na natin yung galing yung ating mga chairman sa Philippine Finance. Hopefully by the 27th of January, which is our target date, dapat yun ratified na number of houses at pwede na pirmahan ng presidente. So, hindi naman na yan hindi na siguro masyadong makasakit doon sa